woman who sign up is, so men is 5U, woman is 4U. Simple?
Yeah.
Then this year, so this is last year. So this is this. So you say the number of men increased by 30%. You know what's the meaning of increased by 30%?
Yes.
So basically your last year 5U is how many percent?
How many percent? 5 years, 10 years.
No. Last year is how many percent?
5 years.
Percent.
Percent is 30% increase.
Oh, that's for this.
Yeah.
No, I am asking you last year is how many percent? Last year is how many percent? I'm not asking you this year is how many percent. Last year is how many percent?
What's that?
This year it increased by 30%. So last year is how many percent?
That means 70%.
You always start with 70%?
No, 100%.
Yes. So if they tell you this year you increased 30%, last year has to be 100% because you always start with 100%. If you start with 70%, you know what it means? You know what it means?
Life is weird.
Pretty weird. You know why? Because you are not, like, let's say if you are a full person, right?
Yeah.
Can you tell me last year I was 70%?
Yeah.
No, man. No, man. You can only, I mean, you always start with 100%. Okay? Then after that, you probably will say, oh, I grow like 5 kg. So therefore, you have an increase in weight. But every time you start with 100%. So therefore, what you start with last year is how many percent? So last year is how many percent?
It's 100%.
Correct.
Now,
So 100%. Now it's how many percent?
130.
Correct. So now it's 130%.
Therefore, the women,
The women is the number of women decreased by 50%, right?
Yeah.
So last year is 100%.
they're 50%.
Now it's 50%.
That's
Correct.
it.
Correct. So now you need to use
4.
5U is, this is for men. 5U is 100%, right?
Yeah.
So 130% is how many U?
Yeah.
So how do you get to from 100% to 130? Use a calculator, times 1.3. So here times 1.3, here also must times 1.3. So therefore you get 6.5U. Okay, so basically men here is 6.5U.
Yeah.
Okay? So last year is for women now. Last year is 4U is 100%. Because of the drop of 50%, so it's 50%. So how do you get from 100% to 50%?
Divide by 2.
Divide by 2. So your this one also must divide by 2. So it's 2U. So now the woman is 2U. So far so good? They say a total of 4675 men and women sign up for the marathon this year. So that means now 8.5U, because now is equal to your this 4675. Does it make sense?
Yes.
So you just need to find out what's U.
Yeah.
Okay? So without a calculator we can't solve. Just use my calculator, real quick one. 4675 divided by 8.5. So it's 550. Never mind. The second half you need to go and bring. So U equals to 550.
Yeah.
Does it make sense?
Yes.
Then after that, say what is the difference between the total number of people who sign up? So you just need to find out last year 9U, right?
Yes.
So 9U is 9 times 550, right? So this is 4950. So this year is this, right? Last year is this, right? So subtract. That's the difference. Make sense?
That's the correct answer.
Make sense?
Yeah.
I don't care about the answer. Once again, I don't care about the answer. I care about the approach.
Good approach.
How many percent you start with always? How many percent?
100%.
Correct. So that's why I put 100% here. So 30% increase this year, so you add to the 100%. Okay? 50% down minus from it. Okay?